Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shy Girl. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to talk about Mama Earth two new launches, which is Mama Earth Cocoa Yogurt and Mama Earth Upton Yogurt. So yes guys, these are the two new launches from Mama Earth, and yes, I am going to tell you about these two in detail, how they work, how they smell, and each and everything in detail. And this is gonna be our honest review about these two products of Mama Earth. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, so yeah, let's get into the video. But before that, you guys know that. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload a video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so first I'm going to talk about Mama Earth Cocoa Yogurt with coffee and cocoa, and this is for rich moisturization. This is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and suits all skin type. I think this is a great thing, and you are getting 200 ml. And yeah, this is how the packaging, outer packaging, look like. I hope you guys could see the packaging. It is really very cute, and of course they have all the packaging are quite similar. So yeah, these are all the ingredients written here. So if you want to check, you can pause the video and please check the ingredients. So I hope you guys could see that this is plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use. This is a really very good process of them, and I really appreciate their idea of this, that they are thinking about environment also. Yeah, and this is also cruelty free, which is I think a great. And this is for rupees 499, but I'm sure you'll get a good discount on these product, and you are getting for 200 ml for 499 rupees. And all the detail and everything is written out here, like the MRP and the expiry dates and all. So here it is written a direction for use, how to use this, and then tips for moisturized skin, who is it suitable for. This is for men and women, which is I think a great thing. But of course 15-year and above can use this, which is amazing. And then this is for all skin type. Again, this is very good for sensitive skin also. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is a main product. This is in on the cap, this is written Mama Earth Cocoa Yogurt with coffee and coca. And this is the packaging. I mean, look at the packaging. This literally look like a that yogurt which we eat. And I think this actually look like, you can eat this, but of course this is not for eating purpose. This is for applying. And yeah, this is how the packaging look like. It is really very cute, and it's a huge tub, you can see. So yeah, here it is written all the detailing and all the stuff. This is in the variant cocoa yogurt, and this is all the detail written, again MRP and all. This is body yogurt. So here all the ingredients and everything is written. It's a lightweight formula. One more thing I want to tell you guys, that I am using these products for about 1 week, and I have literally seen feel that this is actually a lightweight formula for body moisturizer, like a body yogurt. Of course yogurt is quite thick in nature, but this is really very absorbing, and this is very lightweight, and this is of course long lasting. And this is really long lasting, like I have used this. So yeah, I'm telling you guys that these all the things which is written out here, I think they are literally the fact of this product, that this is literally lightweight formula which I have felt. Again, this is long lasting, that I can say yeah, this is long lasting, and this absorb really very quickly, which is great. So yeah, this is how the packaging look like. Now I'm going to show you the inner packaging, how the product look like. So This is what the product looked like. This is so amazing, you guys. I hope you guys could see, like, this is such a, like, can you see that it is shaking? This is such a lightweight formula, and I can bet you guys this is actually a lightweight formula moisturizer. This literally absorb so quickly on your skin, like, amazing. This is amazing, and this smells like a cocoa powder. It's a god, this smells really delicious. I am telling you. So this is what the jelly, or you can say, like, I don't feel like this is a cream based formula, like we. So yeah, this is how it look, and this is how the consistency is. I hope you guys could see that it's quite watery, a little bit watery, but yeah, it absorbs quickly and it smells like or a delicious chocolate. So yeah, if you are interested, please try this thing out. Okay, so coming to next one, which is Mama Earth Upturn Yogurt with turmeric and saffron for deep moisturization. Again, this is for 200 ml and the price is 499 rupees. Again, you will get a discount. I think there are discounts going on. So if you want to check, just check the offer and all. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so that you can also buy. So yeah, this is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and good thing is that it suits all skin type, whether it is sensitive or any sort of skin. So this is again all the ingredients and everything. I hope you guys could see. It is quick absorption, lightweight formula, long lasting, again all those same things. And this is all the price and everything is written. Again, this is cruelty free, and this is for written direction for use and tips, and this is suitable for men and women both. So yeah, this is all the same detail is written. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is how it look. Like, I love this packaging. I'm a big fan of this one, especially because this looks so yummy. It looked like a, I don't know, it looked like a mango ice cream tub. When we go and buy ice cream, it looked like that only. So yeah, again, I'm not talking about ice cream right now, but yeah, this is how the packaging and all look like. Again, all those same thing which I have told you in that one. So yeah, this is difference is this is Upton yogurt, which you can see, and this have turmeric and saffron for deep moisturizing. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the consistency. So this is how it look like. God, this is literally like a yogurt in a tub. Amazing. And I love this smell, dude. This smells so calming, and it smells like, a pure uptony thing with a little bit of yogurt in it. I don't know, like, it smells amazing. Guys, I need to tell you one thing about these, that they literally smells like, whenever you open the tub, you will open the tub, then they will gonna smell like if you will open the cocoa one, okay, then they will smell like a cocoa in a whole room, like a cocoa room kind of a thing. And whenever you're gonna open this smells so calm, like, I don't know. I love this. I personally love this. Of course, the consistency in each is very similar of both of them, but I love this one. Like, smell and everything, this is nice. And this, it's look like a quite jelly form, or you can say a pure curd. You know, I don't know. Like, it's amazing. So yeah. So yes, guys, this was the whole review. Now coming to the product, like, are they worth buying? Then I will say, yeah, they are literally worth buying. And if you are getting a discount on these, I think then these are amazing. You are getting 200 ml of product They are amazing, they smells amazing. Of course we don't need to look the smell. If we are paying, we are checking that are they the consistency is nice or not, right? So I think they absorb quickly. This is good for summer. You don't need your skin to be like chip in this hot summer weather. So yeah, this is a must buy from my side. I am loving both of them. I'm definitely going to recommend these to you. And yeah, this is the honest review about both the product. I am going to recommend both of you to you guys. It's on you. If you like this, you can go for this. If you like cocoa smell, then of course you can go for this. And this is a must buy for this hot summer. Like, they absorb quickly, ठीक है. Then they are so calming, like all the smell and everything. And then the best thing about these products are that they suit all skin type, which is great. Like literally any skin type can use these products. So yeah, this is the honest review about them. This is not a sponsored video. So yes, I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys like the video, then please guys subscribe to my channel and do let me know in the comment section that what else you want to see, so that I can make a video on them also for you guys. So yeah, I hope you are staying at home, you all are safe. So yeah, just take care of yourself. We will gonna meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.